I'm so excited to bring you my second Scrap-A-Thon, which will begin on September 1st, 2018 till September 30th, 2018. What does this mean? Well, first, it will be a self-paced class where we're going to have 30 different prompts and a page/video for each prompt. Here are a few examples: using circles, maybe a sketch, a large photo, or using some tags, and so much more. Then there will be a Facebook group where we're going to chat every day about the prompts/challenges. I will also schedule time for some Facebook Lives where we're going to complete some layouts together. Upon purchase of this class, you will receive the first 7 videos so we can all be ready to get our scrap on by September 1st. Then there will be a video a day uploaded to the class area, which means you will receive over 35 videos. This class is $40, but until September 15th, 2018, you can purchase for $25. For more information on this class and all other classes I offer, please visit NicoleJones911.com. See you in class.